If Krita is giving you an error while installing on Windows, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the most common fixes step by step so you can get Krita installed properly and start creating again. This usually happens when Windows is blocking the installer, a previous Krita process is still running, temporary files are causing conflicts, or security settings are stopping the setup from writing files. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes. Let's get started. First, try running the Krita installer as an administrator. This is one of the simplest fixes and often solves the issue right away. Go to your downloads folder, find the Krita setup file, right-click it, and choose Run as administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. This gives the installer the proper access it needs to write files into system folders. If that does not work, the next step is to close any background Krita processes that may still be running. This is especially important if you are updating Krita from an older version. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. Look through the list for anything named Krita. If you see it, right-click it and choose End Task. Once those processes are closed, try launching the installer again. Sometimes a frozen background process is enough to stop the installation completely. Now let's clear your temporary files. A failed install or corrupted leftover file in your temp folder can cause the setup to fail again and again. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. Type %temp% and press Enter. This opens your local temporary files folder. Now press Ctrl and A to select everything, then press Delete to remove the files. If Windows says a file is in use, just click Skip and continue. After that, run the Krita installer again and check if the error is gone. If you are still seeing the install error, Windows security may be blocking it. The built-in controlled folder access feature can sometimes mistake the installer for unsafe activity and prevent it from writing files. To check this, open the Start menu, search for Windows Security, and open it. Click Virus and Threat Protection, then scroll down and select Manage Ransomware Protection. Find Controlled Folder Access and turn it off temporarily. Once it is disabled, run the Krita installer again. Just remember to turn this feature back on after Krita finishes installing successfully so your PC stays protected. If none of those fixes work, there is one more option you can use, the portable version of Krita. This is a great workaround because it bypasses the normal installer completely. Go to the official Krita download page, click All Download Versions, and look for the 64-bit Windows Portable zip file. Download that version, extract the files, and run Krita directly from the portable folder. This is especially useful if your system keeps blocking the standard setup file. So to quickly recap, the best fixes for a Krita install error are run the installer as administrator, close any Krita background tasks, clear your temp folder, turn off controlled folder access temporarily, or use the portable version instead. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.